Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Àgbà òṣèlú ní Tinubu, àgbà òṣèlú ní Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Ó sì ti ṣe bẹbẹ fún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí, ó ṣe bẹbẹ fàlejò, ó ṣe fónílé, èmi kọ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Aminu Suleiman, ẹni tó jẹ́ agbátẹrù pátápátá fún ẹgbẹ́ lílọ bíbọ̀ ètò ìdìbò Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu àti àtìlẹ́yìn fún ètò ìdìbò Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu àti ipa òṣèlú rẹ̀, òun ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Òun sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nílùú Àbújá níbi tí wọ́n ti ń dìbò abẹ́nú. Ó fi ń yé àwọn oníròyìn òun pé rí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu yìí ẹni tí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí ó nílò lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni, nítorí pé àpẹẹrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu òun náà ni pé ajá tí kò bá gbónílé kò ní lè gbóníta. Ó ní Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ó ti ṣe bẹbẹ nínú ilé o, ó sì ti ń ṣe lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí, àfi kíákín lẹ́yìn. Ó sì dá òun lójú wípé tí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu bá wọlé lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni yóò mú gbogbo iṣẹ́ èyí tí ó mú orílẹ̀-èdè yìí rọrùn tí ó máa mú un ṣe, nítorí pé ìgbésẹ̀ àwọn yìí ó ti wà láti bí ọdún mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn làwọn ti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tí àwọn ti ń ṣe ní wẹ́rẹ́ dè wẹ́rẹ́, nítorí pé kó lè bá àyọrí síbi rẹ̀. Ó pé láìpẹ́ jọjọ a gbọ́ tí wọ́n máa mú èsì ìdìbò wá látara yìí pé wọ́n máa pe orúkọ Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu wípé òun ni ó jáwé olúborí. Oníkàlọ́ fọkànbalẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lẹ́nu Aminu Suleiman tó wá láti Kebbi.
Hello people, good evening, good morning, good day, wherever you're watching from. My name is Tunde Ajishola, the media coordinator for TSO Diaspora. In case you're still wondering what TSO is, TSO stands for Tinubu Support Organization, and we are so lucky this early morning. It's exactly 03:16 a.m. at Eagle Square in Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, and we have in our midst now the Director General, the pragmatic Director General of the Tinubu Support Organization worldwide, Honorable Aminu Suleiman, in our midst. Honorable Aminu Suleiman, good day to you. How are you doing, sir?
How are you, Mr. Jaffa? How are you doing?
Fine, thank you. How is it going?
Today is the happiest day for me because our leader, inshallah, is going to be emerged as a Nigerian president, inshallah. In the next 2-3 hours, he's going to be announced, inshallah.
Amen.
We have seen, because if you want to pass the exam, you will know. Yes. We have seen the sign about some people have stepped down for you today.
Wow, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. So how has it been all day since afternoon? Have you been everywhere? How are the delegates from Kebbi and other states, how are they holding on?
I'm from Northwest Kebbi State. Most of the whole delegate in the city and Kano and Katsina, they are all for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I'm assured this one.
Wow, that's so good to know. So, after he's been announced as the winner, what are the plans? Do you have anything lined up? I'm
telling you, as what that we know, as now that he was here about 1.5 years, I know he was shopping his cabinets. Wow. As soon as Soju get to office, I know he have done it in Lagos. He will know what's time, everything to just flow.
So Ashwaju will hit the ground running.
As now, I know he's shopping his cabinet. That's what I'm doing for you.
Wow. So he sees ahead. He's working a year ahead.
Yes.
That's what you're saying. Are you so 100% sure that he's going to win the general election?
You know, we are the one that started this movement 3.5 years back.
Wow.
And I have said it, if you refuse to continue, we'll take him to court. And we are happy today. Today is a primary day, and we are praying for him day and night. And inshallah, he's going to be matched today.
Inshallah. I've seen that you got so many soldiers, so many foot soldiers around you tonight. What can you introduce some of them to us?
So they're all over Nigeria.
Oh wow!
So they have to come and see this man to support him. He's an elder. He has done so much for this country.
He's an elder.
Yes.
He's done so much for this country.
Yes.
So what are your messages for TSO members all across the world?
I'm sending a message to TSO members. Inshallah, as soon Baba got the ticket, we are going to sit down with our members all over the world to show them that this man is a man that we need to him to drive us in Nigeria. Nigeria need him now because he have done it in Lagos State. Lagos State is where all Nigerian sites, whether you are from Cross River, everywhere you live in Lagos. This man have turned Lagos like London. So I know if Aswaju get a privilege to become Nigerian president, he is going to transform Nigeria.
Brilliant, excellent. Thank you very much for your time this evening. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Aswaju for president.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.